This is Keith Hudson of SharePoint Mastery with a lesson on how to navigate in a SharePoint 2010 site. This video will move quickly. Pause it if you need to. Here's a list of the things we'll be going over in this video. We're looking at a site called SharePoint Mastery. The title of the site is a clickable link in large type at the top left-hand area of the page. Just above it is the Site Actions menu, showing you choices you have depending on your permissions on that page. The navigation selector, which we'll show you more about in a moment. Some other tabs that are context sensitive, and then over in the extreme right top hand corner is the welcome text box with the word welcome gone for SharePoint 2010, showing who's logged in and giving you various choices of things to do based on your login permissions. Just below the site title is the top link bar. These are no longer tabs but show up as links. If I click on Demo Home, I'm now taken to another site called my Demo Home site, and then I'm going to go down one more to a Demo Team site. On the left hand of the page is the Quick Launch bar, which takes you quickly to various pages within this site, libraries, lists, discussions, etc. The top link bar does not just connect to other SharePoint sites. It can connect, as you can see here, to external sites, in this case Google. If we go back up to the navigation selector, you'll see that it shows us where we came from, what the hierarchy of the sites that we're in, and we can click on any of these hierarchical links to get back up to that other site. This replaces the breadcrumb that was in this same location in SharePoint 2007. In SharePoint 2007, the All Site Content or View All Site Content link was at the top of the Quick Launch bar. In SharePoint 2007, it is at the bottom of the Quick Launch bar. If we click on our tasks list, you'll notice that our tasks are shown in the body of the page. The title of the site now has some clickable links on it, and the last of these is a selector to select from the various views of that list that are available if there are more than one view. And if you have correct permissions, you can modify this view or create new views. The labels of the columns have drop-down selectors that allow you to sort the list according to that column, and in some cases filter it. If you hover over the title of an item in the list, you will see a drop-down that gives you the Edit menu or the Edit Control Block, ECB. There are some cases where this will not show up even though you have edit permissions, in which case you need to talk to your site administrator. When you are looking at a list, a new section will appear in the very top called List Tools. If you click on Items, you will actually see a ribbon that lets you exposes actions you can do for various items in the list. If you click on List, it changes the ribbon and shows you other options available that apply to the whole list. When you're looking at the list view, you may be able to look at data sheet view. The ribbon replaces the menu bar from SharePoint 2007. If you want to get rid of the ribbon, click on the Browse button. If I haven't showed you the search box yet, it is at the right end of the top link bar. That's the end of our lesson on basic navigation in a SharePoint 2010 site. Come to www.spmastery.com for more free lessons on SharePoint.